And we have mushroom burger Palaman. Super gourmet. Super sarap in the Tagalog language. Yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available all my 22 books, yes 22. Available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and cook and eat. Really good. And before we do, we're going to bless our food. And you might notice we're surrounded with my books. This is The Rose and the Tilma, and that is How to Discern If God Calls You to Monastery Life, and Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, and Christ Like Mom and Dad, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, English Tagalog, Makakristo, Matatay at Nanay, Christ Like Mom and Dad. Yes. Delightful food recipes of my beloved mom, available worldwide. And let's bless our food. Isn't that important? The beloved parents and grandparents always tell us to bless our food. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved I am. And this is from my book, my 22nd book, I Am God, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. You'll find at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, and Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD.com. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Let's enjoy my beloved mom's cookbook recipes. And we already bless our mushroom burger. So we are ready to enjoy. This is so good, eaten with our hands. And we have natural dessert, blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, and our veggies. Oh my goodness, I'm holding my camera at the same time, so let me hold this for you. Our big mushroom burger. Wow, look at this. Come on and eat. Super delicious. Excuse me, please. This is mushroom adobo burger Palaman. Wow, you're gonna love this as I do. Excuse me, please. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Really good. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom. And there's her beautiful cookbook. My mom is standing here in our kitchen when we were growing up. And more in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD, available at Amazon worldwide. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD.com, and JGutierrez.com. And if you, do you like 10% discount? Yes, you could. You could use my name Juanita if you would like to order from 1833 Got Crab or online www.allfreshseafood.com for all your seafoods and all great products. Get 10% discount using my name Juanita. Enjoy and thank you for all your support. Enjoy mushroom adobo burger. Yummiest. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat.